Have you ever wondered what's behind the symbols and logos that surround us? What meaning do they hide? What stories do they tell us? On this channel, we invite you to discover the stories behind the symbols and logos that surround us. From the most famous to the most unknown, we will tell you the story of how they were created, what they mean, and why they are so important in our culture. So don't miss this opportunity to discover the stories behind symbols and logos. Subscribe to receive notifications of new videos. We are excited to share these stories with you. The origin of the pride flag symbol. What does it represent in the LGBTQ+ community?
The pride flag is an iconic symbol representing love, acceptance, and diversity within the LGBTQ+ community. Its origins can be traced back to the late 1970s, a time of significant social change and activism for LGBTQ+ rights. The creation of the flag itself is credited to Gilbert Baker, an artist and activist from San Francisco, who was commissioned by his friend Harvey Milk, one of the first openly gay elected officials in California, to develop a symbol of pride for a burgeoning movement. Baker, fueled by the spirit of liberation, designed the original rainbow flag consisting of 8 vibrant colors, each with its unique meaning. The color hot pink symbolized sex, red for life, orange stood for healing, yellow for sunlight, green for nature, turquoise for magic/art, indigo for serenity, and violet for spirit. The choice of a rainbow was deliberate, intended to embody the diversity of the LGBTQ+ community and convey the message of inclusion. The flag made its first appearance during the San Francisco Gay Freedom Day Parade on June 25, 1978. It was met with enthusiasm and quickly became a powerful emblem of hope and unity. After the assassination of Harvey Milk later that year, the demand for the flag increased significantly, solidifying its place as a crucial emblem of the gay rights movement. In the subsequent years, the flag underwent some changes. The hot pink stripe was removed due to the unavailability of fabric in that color, and turquoise was also dropped, reducing the flag to 6 stripes. The current version remains ubiquitous, a beacon of pride and resistance across the globe. Throughout the decades, the pride flag has not only stood as a testament to the ongoing struggle for equal rights, but has also scaled new heights in terms of symbolism. It has evolved to encompass even more shades and representations, including the Progress Pride flag designed by Daniel Quasar, which includes additional stripes of black, brown, light blue, white, and pink to highlight marginalized communities and the transgender population. Today, the pride flag is more than just a piece of fabric. It embodies a movement and represents a sense of belonging and solidarity for millions worldwide. It waves at pride parades, adorns public spaces, and adorns clothing and accessories. Its visibility underlines the progress made, while at the same time serving as a reminder of the struggles still faced. For the LGBTQ+ community, the pride flag is a symbol of unity and strength, celebrating diversity and championing the rights of all individuals, regardless of their sexual orientation or gender identity. By exploring the origin of the pride flag and its meanings, one gains insights into the challenges faced by the LGBTQ+ community and their steadfast dedication to achieving equality and acceptance. The flag is an emblem of what has been achieved and what still needs to be done, rallying people toward a more inclusive and equitable world.